Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the interface and engaging phantom power only for condenser mics. Then connect instruments and mics to labeled inputs so you never swap channels on stage. Once done, set the sample rate to 48K and choose a low buffer like 64-128 samples to minimize latency. Make sure you set gains conservatively. A clean signal prevents clipping and reduces stage noise. This quick, careful prep saves you time during sound check and keeps your mix predictable. Next, route signals for performance and monitoring. You'll build a monitor mix using Q-Sens or independent DAW buses so each performer hears what they need. Enable direct monitoring on the interface to bypass software round-trip latency for critical cues. Then balance headphone and stage wedge levels separately from the front-of-house mix. That preserves the audience sound while keeping musicians comfortable. Keep an eye on meters and mute unused channels. These steps lock in consistent monitoring and finish by running a full volume sound check through the actual set, including effects and backing tracks, so you hear real-world behavior. Save your session as presets and backup settings to a USB or cloud so recalls are instant. If something goes wrong, no sound or dropouts, first check cables and power, then confirm the interface driver and sample rate match the DAW. If audio stutters, increase the buffer slightly. One key tip: replace suspect cables before tweaking software. Hardware faults are common and quick to fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.